Hey, this is Jacob Skinner from the Skinner Automotive channel. Today on this video we're using our same old 02 Z71 Tahoe. We're going to show you how to check your air filter. Make sure you don't need a new one, or make sure you do need a new one. All depends. So on this particular model, we got 4 Phillips head screws holding the air box on where the air filter goes. You're going to want to take all those 4 screws totally loose. These actually don't come all the way out. They just come till a stop. They have little tabs so they don't come all the way out. There's a couple that are not too easy to get to, but any normal person can get to them with no problem. Okay, I've got them all undone, all 4 of those Phillips screws done. And look at here, there's the air filter. Nothing out of the ordinary with this one. And that, my friends, this air filter has turned a type of yellowish color, or tan, whatever you want to call it. Some people are colorblind, can't even see that, so I'm going to say yellow. It's turned yellow, and in between each one there's a tint of darkish color like black. That's not good. It's just a lot of dust and dirt built up in there, and this air filter has actually been in there for over 100,000 miles, so it's really time to get a new one. So I'm going to recommend to this customer that he buys a new air filter. You go to a normal parts store, parts warehouse, anywhere that sells air filters, and get one for this model for around 30 bucks. They're not too expensive, not too cheap, but your engine will run better. You'll keep trash out of getting into the intake. So I'm gonna put this one back in for now. I'm sure I'll be doing another video later, showing me putting the new air filter in. You put it back in there just like it came out, no problem. You just gotta get the bottom in first. Trickiest part, which ain't that tricky. You're going to put your air box back down over top of the air filter. You're going to take all 4 of your screws, get them started a little bit by each one. Make sure they're all lined up with their hole. You're going to run them all down. Use that same Phillips screwdriver that you had to take them out. Use to tighten back the Phillips screws. Keep them all about even. Then you go back and tighten them all. You go back and tighten all your Phillips head bolts. Sometimes it can be a pain to get back to these back bolts back here, but normally it's not a problem if you got the right tool. And you're not going to be checking the air filter every day, so you shouldn't have a problem with finding the right tool. And there we go. All 4 airbox bolts are tight. We checked our air filter. It's time to be replaced. Other than that, that was the video to show you how to check your air filter. And that'll be all for today. This is Jacob Skinner with the Skinner Automotive channel. Thanks and have a great day.